Hello, I'm Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. Yes, it's me again, your Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Today I am going to make you some zucchini ground beef dumplings. The recipe is super simple. Right over here we have a pound of ground beef that we are going to put here on our mixing bowl, and this is very fresh, as you can see. 1 egg that I'm about to crack here, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a couple of pinches of cayenne pepper because I want my dumplings to be kind of a little bit of spicy, and a tablespoon of ground garlic. And I am about to cut some red onion. I am going to cut this chunky in little pieces. About a teaspoon of Himalayan salt and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I really love that. I have 1 medium size of red potatoes. You can use any potato that you like. Peel in my red potatoes, you can see. We're gonna give those crunchiness into our dumplings, and let us not forget our zucchini. I am not going to add the seed because it's very watery, so I don't want to make sure I do not use that. So I'm gonna take that out. Great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mix this very well together. And I'm gonna tell you, if you want to serve this to your loved ones, make sure you present it very beautifully. Look what I'm holding here. I am holding some shumai wrap. What's great about the shumai wrap, it has flour, so it's not gonna stick in your hands. And what I'm gonna do, so you can see my wash. This is my wash. This is just 1 regular mixed egg, and I'm going to cover it like this. And you put it on top of your shumai wrap, like so. Press it on the end, and this is your last batch. Just make sure you do protect all the edges from your dumplings. Now over here, I have a boiling water that we're gonna throw in our dumplings. So I want you to see how boiling point that looks. And let's start throwing our dumplings. And we're gonna let this cook for 7 minutes. Look at this, it has been 6 minutes. I'm just gonna throw butter over this, and we can start eating. For our finish, it's going to be melted butter. I hope you get to enjoy my YouTube channel here, Cooking It with Chef Coco P Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. Again, please share this to your family. Thank you for all the likes and subscribing in my cooking show here on YouTube. I love you all. Please enjoy our zucchini and your families. Oh wow. Can you hear? Okay, let's go back live. Damn! I'm gonna wash my hands. Zucchini with ground